Hello kids. Today, let's begin learning about numbers and fruits and their name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
1 apple. 2, 2 watermelons. 3, 3 mangoes. 4, 4 bananas. 5, 5 pineapples. 6, 6 kiwis. 7, 7 peaches. 8, 8 strawberries. 9, 9 cherries. 10, 10 blueberries.
Hello kids. Let's sing the alphabet song. Get ready, it's time to have some fun.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dolphin.
D for dolphin.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jelly.
J for jelly.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nose.
N for nose.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for pineapple.
P for pineapple.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for star.
S for star.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for whale.
W for whale.
X for Christmas tree.
X for Christmas tree.
Y for yogurt.
Y for yogurt.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.